Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to make pista burfi. The ingredients needed for this: 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of pista, 2 tablespoons of milk powder, 1 cup of almonds and green food coloring. It's optional. If you want, you can add it. Now we can soak the almonds in the hot water for 30 minutes. If you are using warm water, it will take more time. Okay, now we can start peeling it off. Okay, now we can grind the peeled almonds and pista. Okay, now it's ready. Okay, now we can apply the ghee on the butter paper. Okay, now put the pan, put it in swim. Put 1 cup of sugar. Now add 1 glass of water. And start mixing it well. Mix it for 30 minutes. It should be in a sticky form. Okay, now it's ready. It's really sticky right now. Okay, now we can add the grinded almonds and the pista into it. And mix it well. Now add 1 spoon of ghee. And 2 tablespoons of milk powder. And mix it well. Now we can add green food coloring. Mix it well. well.